Your front door does a lot more than simply let you in and out of your Sanford home. It protects you, adds curb appeal, and helps keep your home energy efficient. But over time, even the best doors can wear out. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace yours, here are some of the top signs to watch for. You feel drafts. One of the most noticeable signs you need a new door is a draft. If you feel air seeping around or under your door, that means it's no longer sealing properly. Not only does this make your home uncomfortable, but it can also drive up your energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to keep the temperature steady. Your door is difficult to open or close. A door that sticks, scrapes the floor, or refuses to close completely is more than just an annoyance. It's a sign of trouble. This can happen if the door has warped, the frame has shifted, or the hardware has worn out. A door should open and shut smoothly. If yours doesn't, it may be time for a replacement. There's visible damage. Over the years, doors can suffer from dents, cracks, or even rot, especially if they're exposed to the Florida weather. If you see significant damage like soft spots in wood, rust on metal, or broken glass panels, it could mean your door has reached the end of its lifespan. Moisture between glass panes. Many exterior doors feature glass inserts. If you see condensation between the panes of glass, that's a sign the seal has failed. This not only looks unsightly but also affects insulation. Once the seal is compromised, it usually cannot be repaired, and replacing the door is the best option. Increased noise. A good quality door should block out a fair amount of outside noise. If you're suddenly hearing a lot more traffic, neighbors, or barking dogs, your door may have lost its soundproofing ability. Newer doors offer better insulation against noise and can help restore peace and quiet inside your home. Higher energy bills. Your entry door plays a part in your home's overall energy efficiency. If you notice your heating or cooling costs creeping up with no other explanation, your door could be to blame. Modern replacement doors often come with better weather stripping and insulation to help you save money on energy. Outdated appearance. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks old, worn out, or out of style, it can drag down your curb appeal. A new, modern door can completely transform the look of your house and even add resale value. Security concerns. Finally, if your door is flimsy, has a weak frame, or the lock hardware is failing, that can compromise your home's security. Today's replacement doors are designed with stronger materials and more secure locking systems, giving you greater peace of mind. Choosing the right door for your Sanford home. Once you notice these signs, replacing your door can feel like a big decision. Luckily, you have plenty of options. Whether you prefer the timeless beauty of wood, the durability of fiberglass, or the strength of steel, there's a door to match your style and budget. Working with a trusted local installer can also make the process easier. They can help you choose a door that fits your home's needs and handle the installation so everything is secure and properly sealed. Your door should be something you can count on every day. If you've noticed drafts, damage, or security issues, don't wait. Upgrading to a new door can improve your comfort, safety, and even the look of your Sanford home, making it a smart investment for years to come.